Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. And first thing I want to say, if you're here thinking there will be a review, and that's all you're here for, you may leave. The exit is right over there. This will not be review. There will not be any spoilers. So we're at the Avengers world premiere, and look at the posters. I mean, that one, and that one, and that one, and I can't see that one. Okay, I found it. I walked over here. I found it. It's the Hulk. There he is. Hey, you pointed at me, no? Okay. But you know, in this movie time, we had to lock away our phones, so none of that. Heading to the theater now. This might be the last post, because they're gonna make me lock my phone. Then there was an after party. It's over. That's all y'all getting. And I literally just walked in right now. Now it's time to do this Avengers Endgame themed unboxing. I ordered these from Amazon. These are mystery minis. I could have ordered like the actual kit that has one of each, but where's the mystery in that? I did that before some years ago. I was like, that's no mystery. These I just ordered. So they have on the box. So let me just show you. They have 12 on there, okay? So I'll just order 12 random boxes. I'm just gonna take them out right now. Now the challenge will be for this video, you reading my face and seeing if I see a certain character, I'm like, and they'd be like, oh, something happened. I'm gonna do my best. Wait, there's more plastic. I should have known this from the last video. Okay. Oh, these are gonna be bobbleheads. All right. It's Captain America. Oh boy, it's gonna be a long video. Open. It's Iron Man. All right, there's Iron Man. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trolling y'all. I'm sorry. Why did I get those two right there? Okay. Lord have mercy. What is this? The Hawking? I said it's the Hulk in there. Oh, Hulk. I can't say anything. I don't have any duplicates so far, but we're only 3 in, so. Remember that I don't have any duplicates part? Well, we have another cap, so that proves to you I didn't get one of each, so. Okay. Okay. Oh. There you go. Hey. Lord have hey, hey, that's hey. Okay, what we got? 3 caps? Wow. Okay, can we have somebody new? We got Big Baddie himself, Thanos. Ouch! I just got cut. There's another Thanos. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, dang, another Hulk. Okay, you know what? All these duplicates, man. Ooh. Oh, this is somebody new? Yes. Thor. Thank you. All right, there you go. Thor is in the house. The last box. Okay. All right. Wait. I heard it. Okay, there it is. I heard it break. 3. Okay. So, wait. Yeah, it's the same face. Wow. Okay. 3 Hulks. We got 3 Captain Americas. You got 2 Thanoses and an Iron Man and a pair. No. Okay. You have Thor. You have Captain Marvel. And you have Ant-Man. Okay, so I'm only missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. That's not, that's not too bad. I hope I've tried really hard not to. I know reviews are coming out today, a little bit after this video comes out. At 3 p.m. Pacific is when actual reviews can come out, which means people are allowed to put spoiler reviews. I would recommend, if you don't want to know anything, try to avoid those reviews. And when you're reading YouTube comments, including mine, including any this week, or you're watching a stream, whatever, just be wary. Maybe don't look at comments this week. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Listen, there's one thing I do have to say. The biggest thank you to Dolby Cinema for inviting me to go and Joy being my +1. It was phenomenal. In the Los Angeles Convention Center, there is not normally a theater in there. They took their, I think it's like 2 or 3 days, and they set all that up. They put the Dolby Atmos speakers up. The screen had the Dolby Vision. The sound was amazing and incredible. I'm not just saying that because they sent me. I'm saying that because anybody who went there will tell you the seats were comfortable. It was an amazing experience. I don't know when the next video is going to be. I need to take a little in-game break myself, you know? So I've done like, what, 5 videos in a row? I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Take care. Bye.